So guys, if you want to change your tab color in Microsoft Excel, once you're on Excel, in the bottom you want to go to your tabs. Now let's say that I want to change the color of this tab right here. You want to right click on it, and then click on tab color. Now we're going to be having some default colors right here that we can select. And if you want more colors, you want to click on this, more colors. We're now going to be having a color wheel. And you could also go to custom, and you can now type in the color code if you want to. So I'm just going to be doing green for example, and then click on OK. Now my tab is going to change to green. And now if you want to rename a tab, you want to right click on the tab that you want to rename, and then click on rename. You can now do any name that you want. Click on enter. Now the name is going to be changed. And if you want to add a new tab, it's simple. Click on the plus right here. You will now have a new tab. And if you notice, I clicked off the tab now, and now the tab that I made green has now changed to like actually green now. So before it was something a bit different, but now it's actually green. So once you click off the tab, you will see the color properly now. And now if you want to delete a tab, you want to right click on it, and then click on delete. That's how you do it.